Myntri katanat kakoi kekya uba wailat miki shila ula Pynthikna ban pyllait no ya tulop badang sahteng jong ki arspa prapu prangot kinas ki batre kontrak hapo jong uni ubnai. Kam dei bangi up ya kiseng bhalang ne kiseng san perthei ban dawa ngila dan lupa hapadeng gajing pen kre ban pyllait no ya tulop ba sahteng jong kinas batre kontrak ong uba wailat miki habakran shakilat pthai kubor haga khat sau trik kelalingkan. Myntri ula batai baka jing slam ban pelat ya tulop ka dei namar ki jing ki bami hapo katanat personal kabala menjur na kabenta ban penjelan ya kam kontrak tang na kabenta ki arspa ngot kinas haka jaka jong baro ki arspa prapu prangon ngi lapha biang ban penbet namar ngi kwa babaro ki arspa prapu prangot kinas ki dei ban yo jing menjur dei na kanika daw bakala shimpor ban pelat ya tulop jongki bendrap uba wailat miki. Ka samoy turekam kontrak jongkinas kelakut no hakashi tarik nai wing arjar pesan bat katanat na duk kate kapor kelashim iki sinjam ban penbet iki jing bat pen kre ban pelat no ika tulop basakteng hapo jong uni ubnai kelalingkan. Ha uni hi ubnai kin yo no ika tulop basakteng jongki Pynthikna Myntri.
It's not we are waiting for the demand. It's not it's not that they need to demand for it. We are already in the process, but there was some issue, and I think it's not for the first time. There in the past also this kind of issue have been faced from time to time regarding this contract nurses where their contract end on the 1st of November 2025 last year. So no doubt from our end we have already sent for the extension to the personal department, but the personal department approved for only 200 of them. So then because there were 288, not only 288, there were others also, but for others they were clear. Along with that, out of those and other than the 288, 200 were approved. But since there were 288, so we will send it back for correction that we want that all the 288 should be approved. So that's why it took time there, because we have to send it back. So we already work it out. So in the meantime, they're done, and in this month itself, so they will be getting their salary. Because as you know, that these are contractual, for the period of 1 year. So we already it end on the last year or on November. So we send it for extension, but there was a slight confusion. They approve only 200. So we have sent it back. So in the meantime, it will be done.